Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. My name is Muhammad Nasir Ikram bin Ahmad Ghazali. I am going to introduce my group members. They are Rahman Kazi Ashikur, Shahdanel, Muhammad Amirul Alif, Chan Yoklin, and Nur Fatihah Arlina. We are from BEEC. We are here to present our solution for question number 1.
Hi, I am Arlina. Now I'm going to explain the theory and concept of force and tension. Firstly, I'm going to explain about force. Force is an action that causes a free object with infinite mass to accelerate frame of reference. There are two kinds of force, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force are those requiring contact with the other object. All mechanical forces are contact. For example, normal force, tension force, frictional force, muscular force, applied force, spring force, and air-resisting force. Non-contact force can be exerted without any contact with any other object, divided into gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Secondly, tension is transmitted through a cable, rope, wire, or string. It is directed along the length of the cable and pulled equally on the object. Tension could be the opposite of compression. That's all for me, thank you. Now Alif will explain about the questions.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Alif bin Abdillah. So today I want to talk about the question. Okay, so firstly, let's list the info that has been given to us. 28 kg for weight of the blocks, 1 kg for weight of the bucket, 0.450 is the coefficient of static friction between table and block. Lastly, 0.320 is the coefficient of kinetic friction between table and block.
I'm here today to talk to you about
Newton's second law and constant acceleration. Okay, this equation and this equation are the same equation. All I did was I factored g out of the top, and you have m2 minus m1 and m1 plus m2, and you multiply that times g and you get the acceleration.
I am Ashik. I will calculate the first part. So first we have to find tension. If we put that value from our question, we will find the tension. So tension is here 123.5 Newton. So we know that if pulley is frictionless, then T1 is equal to T2. So we already calculate x-axis tension. So now we have to calculate y-axis system, like using Newton's second law. This is the tension 2 and gravitational force for M2. So again we using Newton's second law. Then we can calculate the mass of sand. So if we substitute, we will find the mass of sand.
I am Chan. Now I'm going to explain the part of the question. First and foremost, the answer is getting by multiply the coefficient of the block and the force of the block, which is multiplied by its mass and the gravity force. Next, we need to use the Newton's second law, which is F equal to ma. We all know that the tension is larger than the frictional force, so we use the tension to minus the frictional force. Now we also use the Newton's second law. The equation of the Newton's second law is F equal to ma. For the bucket, we know that the force is larger than the tension, so we use the force of the bucket to minus the tension, because the force are pull the bucket down. Now we are having the two equations, so we can solve the equation by using the mathematical method. And now we can know that the acceleration of the system is 0.879.